Crypto.com. Let's look at Crypto.com. Quick update. This thing skyrocketed, and things do look amazing. I love Crypto.com. Watch the video I put out yesterday. I was talking some fundamentals, nothing crazy, but mainly about the chart. But these are the lines I was looking at, and looks like the buyers are or sellers are actually reacting more off to this line over here. They're connecting these levels overall. And it looks like we do have some sort of retracement right now. Overall, if we zoom out, you'll see that's pretty. I like when it's predictable. The chart is very predictable. You go up, down, higher lows. Over here, boom, boom, and higher highs over here, boom, boom. And today we pushed all the way to the 40 cent or 39.5 cent region. So what's gonna happen next? Although I'm very excited for Crypto.com, and I've been getting a lot of questions on, should I put my money now? You should have put your money way back in the day when we were talking about it, man. That's what you should have. Look, man. Overall, in the market, you don't, I guess if you don't really understand technical analysis, the simplest thing I can tell you, never buy when everything's in the green, and only buy when things are there's just blood on the street. Everything is in the red. When everybody's in fear, that's when you should be greedy. And when everybody is buying in at these higher levels, that's when you should be taking profits overall. Now I'm looking, over months period, depends on your investment horizon and what you're in, how long for, what you're comfortable with. But I would never buy at these levels. I was buying down here. I was talking about Crypto.com at the 12 cent. I was talking about it when it was even at the 8 cent region. I've been accumulating, right? Now I'm comfortable. So when there's a lot of FUD and a lot of FOMO, that's when you should be buying, because things are on sale. And look at this, it was all the way here, 27 cent region. Look at this drop, 60-70%. Wouldn't you buy a shirt or some shoes when it's on sale? Even if it's not even an investment, you should treat it the same here. You should wait on sale prices for you to be comfortable enough. So now, I know people maybe just got to know what Crypto.com is, and they're thinking, should I go in, should I not? Right now, in my opinion, not a legal advice, not a financial advice. Things are a bit too expensive. That's what I look at. I would wait for some sort of a dip, which we're seeing right now. Because if you're looking at this daily, and let's just take it from people that let's just look at this breakout right here, which was like a week ago. If you're looking at it, and we had a breakout from this level over here, the 19 cent, we're looking at 103% price increase. Double the money. People made double their money here. They will take profits. So wait for a bit. That's how I look at it. Be patient a bit. If you're looking at this for the long term and you're trying to accumulate, the way I look at it is, always buy when you see some sort of 10 to 20% retracement. Now, how do you do that? Look, I have on my phone, I have, for example, like CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko sending me notifications on price movements for all the coins I'm looking at. And every couple of days, you see some sort of a cycle. It pushes up like 30-40%. Next couple of days, it gives you, like it's down 10% or like 20 or 15%. That's when you accumulate, when things are at a sale, and that's how you optimize your entry. But nonetheless, things are extremely volatile right now, but I love to see it. I think people are waking up for Crypto.com. I think they're understanding that there's a huge opportunity here at another exchange token, the new Binance, the new Coinbase, but I think it's a lot more optimized with a lot better products. And I always say that I want to show you guys my card. I don't even have my, what? Give me one second. I'm not gonna show you the numbers, so don't get too crazy, man. But you're not even gonna see my name on it. But look at this. This is from Crypto.com, right? And I can spend my money there. I can buy with my, with my coins, with my crypto. So it's nice. Things are nice, and they do have a good product. And there's a lot of staking options, and the best thing about it is the fact that even when I put my money in, I can actually go and buy coffee with it, right? And I can get rewards and cashbacks on it, and there's a lot more there, which I highly suggest you guys go and check it out. Crypto.com. I'm not getting paid to say all these things, I promise. I just like it so much, and I really want to just share my knowledge. So now on the 4-hour, I'm talking too much, man. 4-hour chart looks pretty telling to me at the moment. After a huge movement, people will take profit. And if you zoom out a bit, if we're looking at the daily, we're at a level where we do expect some sort of resistance. We do expect sellers to sell. There will be some sort of a retracement. There will be some sort of a drop. Look at this EMA ribbon. This EMA ribbon is basically when it tells you when to sell, when to buy, man. So EMA's exponential moving averages. Usually, you know, just a quick, I guess, tip here. When you have some sort of a flip, so the yellow one is the most the fastest EMA, is the closest one, and the red one is the furthest away, which is the slowest mover. When the this is how I confirm some sort of an uptrend or a downtrend. Whenever I start having the red in the bottom and the yellow up top, guess what? We're above, the price is considerably above the EMA. I'm in an uptrend. There's some sort of a phase. You got to give it like a couple of months for it to stop uptrending, and always moves all the way up, comes back down to it, people buy again, moves all the way up, comes back down to it. I hate when this happens. Oh my god. Comes back down right to it, right? People buy until it's like way too much. Then, you know, you start seeing here that it flips. Now the red is on the top and the yellow's in the bottom. We're in a downtrend, and looks what happens. As soon as you get that sign, guess what? Things are going to continue to drop, and then it goes back up to it. People sell more. It goes back down to it. You know, people, I guess, buy at this moment, but it comes back into it and people sell. Not until it flips again. Look what happened here. This is the only time it actually flipped, and things actually continue to move up. And ever since, it's been a good time for crypto.com. So right now, we're very far away from it. What's going to happen? You guessed it, it's going to drop back down to it. So you got to give it a couple of days, in my opinion. I would say a couple of weeks to see what's going to happen here. People are going to sell. It's going to drop, come back down. Now the hype is there. People are looking to enter at better prices. And look at this here. We're looking at the VPVR. Looks like this level where people could be interested in. There's no support. There's no support whatsoever. This is completely driven right now by greed. People that, you know, came in last minute, wanted to buy in. I would never buy it at these prices, man. You know, I want to get it at a sale price, and that's what's happening. I do think, you know, a good support level, a good drop would be somewhere, you know, somewhere around this region right here, you know, where we had the previous all-time highs. We broke out of it a couple of days ago. We 100% need to retest it. So that's what's going to happen with crypto.com, in my opinion, for the short term. If you're trying to accumulate, be patient. You know, you have a lot of time. Expand your time horizon and get comfortable with this, and always wait on dips, and always track all your coins. And you can see I'm always watching. So I don't want to prolong this. Thank you guys for watching. Appreciate you. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, do all of that. Hit the bell notification icon so you can get notified every time I post anything, or Brendan posts anything beside Hex. You know, he's been really talking about Hex recently. Go tell him I said that. And yeah, man, thank you for watching. Have a great weekend, and peace out.